Alright, we have Shedding Scale Puppy Sai with us today. Say hello. Cyrus. He's sleepy. He's been up for a while. But he's got the drum set. Yes. Little scale puppy. We got the piano. We got the mandolin, the berry uke, the concert uke, the electric guitar, the 5-string bass guitar, the acoustic guitar, and then we have the upright bass. You've climbed the upright bass. You have fond memories of the upright bass, don't you? Yes. Well, this is Scale Puppy Sai. His name is Osiris, but we call him Scale Puppy Sai. Yes, Scale Puppy Sai. He says hello.